Hello Fashion Wander! In this tutorial, we're going to make no-sew off-the-shoulder t-shirt, tank top with twist shoulder, crop t-shirt with D-ring tie front, and long sleeve knit t-shirt mixed with woven shirt. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below and I'll be sure to respond. Let's get started. For this no-sew pinstripe off-the-shoulder t-shirt refashion, I chose a white and red pinstripe t-shirt dress that is 98% cotton and 2% spandex. For this no-sew project, you will need t-shirt dress, 1-inch width elastic band, fabric chalk, liquid stitch, sticky measuring tape, scissors. To make a crop shirt, measure 16 inches up from the bottom of the hem and mark a dotted line across the shirt. Follow the stripe pattern and cut along the line. Next, cut off both sleeves and also cut open both side seams and shoulder seams. As a result, you have much more fabric to work with. Fold the panel in half with the inside facing out. Match the stripes so you have an even look. From the folded line, measure 9-inch by 9-inch and draw a square and cut along the chalk mark. Do the same with the other piece of fabric. So now you have two pieces, 18 inches by 9 inches rectangles for each sleeve. Next, keep the hem finish of the original shirt as your new shirt hemline. Using the tape measure, start 1 inch away from the side seam and mark with the chalk. Then, measure 3 inches down and mark with chalk. Draw a smooth curved line and cut along the chalk mark. This is your new underarm hole for the sleeve. Do the same for the other side. Grab the sleeve pieces and measure 1 inch away and 3 inches down from the raw edges. Draw a smooth curved line and cut along the mark. Make sure the sleeves are folded with the wrong sides facing together. Now, join the side seam of the sleeve with the curved line using fabric glue. Let it dry completely for about 1 to 2 minutes and then turn the sleeve right side out. To join the body and sleeve, lay the body and sleeve armhole flat so it creates a U shape. Match the lines of both pieces to glue about 1/4 inches width along the curved line. Again, let it dry completely. To make a tunnel for the elastic band, you will need to fold the top part of the shoulder about 1 1/4 inch and glue about 1/4 inch width. At the end, leave a 2 inches opening to insert the elastic band into the tunnel. Slide the elastic into the opening and push the band so it goes around the tunnel. Overlap the elastic and glue the ends together. Finally, close the opening. You can always play around with the t-shirt length and make it a little bit longer if you wish. And of course, you can choose different stripe pattern to create a variety of styles and looks. For this no-sew tank top refashion, I chose a crop t-shirt that was 100% cotton. I recommend using a 100% cotton t-shirt because it will work really well for the structured shoulder straps. For this no-sew tutorial, you will need scissors, fabric chalk, sticky measuring tape. To make a V neckline, start measuring from highest point of shoulder, which is right next to the neckband. Use a measuring tape and chalk mark 7 inches away from the center of the neckline. Use the marking to draw a V neckline. Cut along the new neckline and remove the original neckband. Be careful to cut one piece at a time for this tutorial because the neckline is different in the front and back. To make a tank top, measure 2 inches away from the new neckline along the shoulder. Mark with chalk on both sides. draw a smooth curve to create a new armhole. To make a twist shoulder, cut the shoulder straps along the shoulder seam. Grab the front piece and twist away from the neckline one time. Then, rejoin the seam by gluing 1/4 inch and attaching the back shoulder strap at the original shoulder seam. Do the same on the other side. Make sure that both twists are done in the same direction so it looks right when worn. Enjoy your new shoulder twist tank top. Pair it with black leggings or high-waist boyfriend jeans for a workout or casual look. For this no-sew t-shirt upcycle, I used 100% cotton ribbed t-shirt. The cotton material is easy to work with. For this no-sew tutorial, you will need liquid stitch, one piece of 1-inch width D-ring, fabric chalk, sticky measuring tape, scissors. To make a cropped shirt, measure 17 inch down from the neckband and mark. Cut along the line. Next, fold the t-shirt in half. Measure 1 1/4 up from the center front and then cut open. After measuring 1 1/4 inch away from the center front and chalk mark, draw a quarter circle and cut. To attach the D-ring, lay the t-shirt flat. Glue about 1/8 inch width of the t-shirt half circle in order to cover the D-ring. Let it dry and then cover the other half of the D-ring. To make the tie front detail, use the remaining fabric. Measure 2 1/2 inch down and cut along the stripe. Open the seam. Glue along the wrong side of the fabric about 1/4 inch and fold in half to create 1 inch width strap. Fold the fabric inside and close the ends with glue. For a street style look, make the strap long to tie completely around the waist, and for a casual look, make the same length as this no-sew video tutorial. For this no-sew crop t-shirt alteration, I wanted to mix knit and woven fabric together. I used a cropped knit t-shirt and a woven shirt that were both 100% cotton. For this no-sew project, you will need fabric chalk, liquid stitch, scissors, sticky measuring tape. Measure 5 inch up from the hemline of the button-down shirt and mark with chalk. Cut the side seam open and cut along the chalk mark to separate the pieces. Turn the striped t-shirt over and then measure 6 inches down from the neckband. Cut open the side seams. Follow along the armhole and also across the new yoke line. Back to the button-down shirt. Measure 16 inches up from the hemline and mark with chalk. Open the side seams and cut along the line. Next, measure the bottom opening and mark with a half point. Lay the button-down shirt pieces together and match the front center of the t-shirt. Glue the placket first, and then glue the hemline to attach the woven fabric to the knit. Fold the back woven pieces in half and mark the center with chalk. Open the fabric, measure 1 inch on both sides. Fold the both sides towards the center and glue to secure. Lay the back piece of the woven shirt onto the back of the knit t-shirt. Then, draw an armhole with the chalk mark by following the armhole and side seam of the t-shirt. Make sure to draw the new side seam for the front piece as well. Cut along the side seams and armhole. Fold the side seams inward and glue to attach the back side seams. Glue along the armhole of the t-shirt by folding the back piece 1/4 inches and attaching. Add glue along the yoke line. Now you completed knit t-shirt mix with woven shirt. Pair this upcycle top with skinny jeans and flats for a casual business look. If you love my tutorial and want to see more DIY fashion tips and hacks, subscribe for more videos. What's your favorite DIY no-sew t-shirt refashion project from this tutorial? Share your cute no-sew t-shirt ideas with me on Instagram at #MakeWithFashionWonder. Thanks for watching!